What's up, Shredders? Good morning. It's 6:30 in the morning here in Ephraim. We're packing up, heading down to Eagle Point. We're also going to do Bryan Head, hang out for a few days in St. George, and have a good time. Come along, let's check it out. Fresh corduroy. Woo. Me today, got some sweet and sour reindeer. Never had these before. Thanks, Kathy. Amelia's got her brand new board. Look at that. A nitro. Got some purple down to a bluish. Looks really cool. She got that fire stomp pad. That's really cool. Beautiful day up here at Eagle Point. We've been loving it. There's only 2 lifts open, so we're just kind of cruising around. We're gonna wrap it up and head down and get some food. Some stats for the nerds: 11 runs, 4,300 vert, not very much. 5.8 miles. Pretty good. Good job, Dill.
Killing it.
Just made it here to Cancun. Best Mexican food in central to southern Utah, besides Los Amigos. Got 3 enchiladas here, looking really good. Ooh, we're hungry.
We're ready to eat.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Ooh, that's good.
Ooh.
I don't have any PTO left, and we're down in St. George for a few days, so I'm working out of the St. George office, Vegas, and Cedar City. So I'm driving over to the St. George one right now. Beautiful morning. I just visited a customer up here in Hilldale, and it's like super scenic here. Like, this is part of town. Dang. Wow. Oh, no.
Doug's trying to make me feel.
I totally just get a little shot of it. Dang, sorry. Wow. Very cool.
It's a nice phone.
So today I'm working from the Vegas office, so I had to drive 2 hours down from St. George, gonna work here most of the day, head back home.
And they'll take themselves and plug themselves in.
That is deep. Let's roll. Happy New Year! Nice, good job. Just getting here to Bryan Head, looking pretty sparse, and it's gonna be fun either way. Ready to shred. Amelia's all set here at Bryan Head. Definitely rained. It's really soft, so it should be pretty rad. Oh yeah. Cool stomp pad. It's a foggy day out here. That's for darn tootin'. Gummy of the day. Got some Lifesaver gummies. Oh yeah. Well, sorry there ain't much cool footy today, but it's fun to get out, ski around. Thanks for coming along. We'll see you on the next one. Hopefully we have some better snow. Woo! Wrapping up the day, walking down to the car. Kidding. I'm not gonna go on the asphalt. I would never. Hardcore Shredder. Woo, woo. Stats for the nerds: 10 runs, 93 vertical, 38 miles an hour, top speed. Not too shabby. Your standard burger with T-shaped tops. Rodeo burger, sweet potato fries. Oh wow. Here at the Crazy Cow Cafe in Beaver, Utah. And cut.